How to change your default browser in Windows 11. Have you ever wanted to change your default web browser from Microsoft Edge to something else, like Chrome or Firefox? Well, you are in the right place, because we are going to show you how to change your default browser in Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on Start menu. Then open Settings. Then click on Apps. Click on Default Apps. Type your favorite browser name on the search bar. Now click on it. Now click on Set Default. Done. To make sure your changes have been effected, To make sure the changes have taken effect, let's try on a web link. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to change your default browser in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our 5-Minute Solution channel for more videos.